Let's do this quick hairstyle together. So I'll be using Sofnfree Gel together with my Bamsi Wax. So right about now, I'm just spraying my hair using a mixture of water and leave-in treatment, okay? And then after that, I'll just go ahead and take my Sofnfree Gel and I'm going to apply it onto the hair just like you guys can see. So this hairstyle is so easy. Just keep on watching and I'm hoping that you're going to learn a thing or two. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So guys, the next step will be to apply some wax. I normally love, mixing gel together with the wax just to give me that, maximum hold, to make sure that I don't have so many flyaways going on, because again, I normally don't blow dry my hair. But if your hair is like a blown out or something, then you'll not have to use too much gel or wax, okay? And again, if you're going to use gel on your hair, just use the gel that works perfectly for your hair. You don't necessarily have to use this particular one that I'm using. Feel free to work with the gel that works perfectly for your hair, okay? So once I'm done and I'm satisfied with how my hair looks like, I'll just go ahead and take my hair tie and I'm going to use it to secure my hair just like you guys can see. And then after that, I'll just do a little bit of my edges, not too much, just a little bit, just to make sure that my edges look neat and nice, if that makes sense. Okay, so if you're new here, I do create hair tutorials, and if you enjoy watching hair videos and you want to know how to do your own hair the comfort of your home, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I do post affordable, beautiful hairstyles. Keep it here for more and many more amazing hair tutorials. And guys, this is how my back of the hair is looking like. I'm going to use this scarf to wrap my hair and let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes as I do my makeup and wait for the hair to dry. So guys, for the extension that I'm going to use is this Brazilian wool, but you can choose to use braiding hair. You don't necessarily have to use this particular one. You can choose to use braiding hair or any extension of your choice, okay? So after attaching it onto my natural hair band, I'll just go ahead and flip it over just like so, and then I'll take a small piece of this extension. I'm going to use it to wrap around my ponytail just like you guys can see. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you going to try this style? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And again, don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family if you found it helpful. Also give me a big thumbs up if you've watched this video till this point, and thank you so much for keeping me company. So love, this was basically it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. So I'll just let this video play so that you all can see and understand exactly what I'm doing. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love.